Hello and welcome back to my channel. You see I'm wiggling a little bit. I'm just so excited. Now I'm going to teach you how to do flash. So first I'm going to do a head. Stop! Okay, I'm a little bit crazy today. There's a head. It's a little bit small. No, it's fine. Everything will fit. Just draw an eye. Colour it in if you want with black. You don't have to colour it in for just black. You can colour it in if you want. Because I told you on the other video. Okay. Stop it, Brian. Just stop telling me to do crazy stuff. I'm too crazy today. Okay. Another eye. Going like that. Because he's going to be like maybe fighting or something. You just do it tiny like that. And you do like muscles over there and then a big curve like a circle, like half a circle. Then you do tiny of these and then you don't do thumb because there's going to be something doing, like we're going to do something with the thumb. Okay, now we're going with the thumb. So we just go over like that. Just look. See, look. The thumb is going over like that. Okay. So let's carry on. So draw a line like that. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. And then let's do a lift up. Lift up. We're doing something like that and then that for the shoe line there. Just to make it, and just, I do lines over there for the shoe just in case. Done like that. And then, I did something over there. Okay, so. Yes, I did it right. This is the hard bit, guys. Oh, it doesn't look very good. But it still does look like flesh though when you color it in. I just do like a circle and then a lightning bolt there. And now we just do a lightning bolt there. But the lightning bolt has to be small. I did it too big. But we're not going to do two because one's on the other side. So that's what happened. Oh, I forgot something. On this arm, we just forgot the thumb over. Like that. Okay, now this is like maybe it's the last step, but I might draw some lines on Flash for his yellow, but I'm not going to color him in. So if you want to do him the right, this is just for if you want to do him the right colors. And you don't have to do this bit. You don't have to just do two colors. You can do whatever colors you want, but if you want to do this, or you want to color it in with two colors, then you're going to have to do this. But you don't have to. You can just maybe like do the legs and arms one color, and maybe the body and the head and all this stuff. That can be other color. But make sure if you want to do the same as me, I might do this. I might, though. So 1 and then 2, 1 and then 2, 1 and then 2. These are called tummy muscles because they're muscles, but they're on his tummy. You do get tummy muscles because my dad has them. Okay. So the lines, you can draw the lines however you want, but these lines have to be thick. No, not thick, they have to be thin. These lines have to be thin. They don't have to be straight. You can make the lines however you want, but I'm just going to do them maybe like wavy. Sometimes I might make it wavy. Oh, it's fine if you do mistakes. Just remember to keep trying, because I'm going to keep trying. And if you haven't watched another video, the video's title is how to draw a snake, but with patterns, but you don't have to do that. You don't have to watch that, but if you haven't watched that, then you can go and watch it. Just press on my face. Just press on my face, and then you find all the videos that I did. Okay? If you haven't watched any of my videos. So now let's carry on with the lines. This one. But you have to do the lines like that. Okay, now I'm just gonna speed it up. Okay, I think we might be finished. Wait, we forgot one thing. I just have to draw more lines. Because on that leg and here. Wait, we did forget something. Oh, no. Okay. But we still forgot something, but it's not the thing that I'm thinking of, but there's still something that I thought of that we have forgot. Is to do more lines. Well, I have to do more lines. You don't have to do it anymore. If yours has lines everywhere. If you have lines everywhere, that's fine, because on Flash he probably has lots of lines across himself. We forgot one thing. One tiny thing. Where we have the lightning bolt at our head, we're just gonna draw a tiny circle where, imagine if there's a hole in Flash and there's a lightning bolt sticking out. Imagine that on Flash. And you have to, do that. But you don't have to color it in like that, remember. You don't have to, but you can color it in there's a hole and there's a lightning bolt coming out. You can do that. But remember, I'm not going to color in. Even though I didn't say to this thing, I did tell you this time. You all know this, that I did tell you that if you haven't watched another video from how to draw a snake, then go and watch that now after this video. but I did say on that video that I won't colour in. You have to go and check it now. Go and check it on, go and check on the channel. Go and look at all of my channels. And please subscribe to all my channels. I might have done some channels that I didn't say please subscribe, but still please subscribe. Even if I don't say please subscribe. But still please subscribe. Okay. There you go, and there's your flash. I hope you like my channel. Remember that I did do a lot of other channels. And remember, you can do flash whatever colors you want. Remember, you don't have to draw like me. You don't have to do lines and stuff. I told you that. You don't have to do that stuff, but you can if you want.